In this video, I'll tell you what the prototype DWG is, guide you through the process of referencing externals in DWG files, loading external blocks, and easily navigating to the externals from the title block. Let's dive right in! Download the additional training files from our online help website to practice. You'll find the link in the description. If you're still wondering how to define your individual layout, you can use the prototype DWG. But what exactly is the prototype DWG? It's a DWG file packed with all the predefined dimension styles, blocks, text style configurations, and default layers. For instance, the triangle symbols used for the floors are DWG blocks sourced from the prototype DWG. Keep in mind, the prototype DWG is overwritten by us with every update. So if you've personalized your own version, it's wise to keep it saved externally. Now let me show you how to create own DWGs, including project references. Referencing externals in DWG files allows you to display static content in DigiPara Liftdesigner drawings. We recommend to rename the parameters, so that it is easier to find it in the data tree. In this example, we will rename the floors. These references can include DigiPara Liftdesigner project references and can be utilized in DWG annotations and standard view frames by copying them for form. Now let's load external blocks into the DigiPara Liftdesigner drawing. DWG annotations related to active components are created via the corresponding annotation property. Within the properties, you have the option to replace an existing component or viewframe annotation with a DWG block. Set the Show Image/DWG file to Yes, referenced or embedded. Referenced means that a third person must have access to the path. Embedded means that a copy can be opened by someone else without having access to the path. Select, for example, our training DWG, add file name. You can also replace view frames with an external block. To do this, simply click on the external block icon and replace an existing view frame with an external block. Drag and drop is also an option for quickly inserting DWGs. Inserted DWGs also have setting options in the Properties window. Now that you know how to load external blocks into the drawing, let me introduce you to the Go to External option. This feature allows you to identify the path of a value in the data tree without having to open the AutoCAD file. To find the value in DWG tables, mouse over the value and right-click. The context menu pops up, and at the bottom there is the Go to External button. Clicking at it will open another window where you can see the external string. When you click on the Open icon, it'll get active and you see it in the Breadcrumb, Data Tree and Properties window. This process enables you to easily locate all external contents in the table. Thanks for watching!